Hey, we're leaving a huge manufacturers meeting, and I tell you what, I'm more excited about the bullish outlook for 2019 than ever. The big thing that it's going to come down to is engagement. Those of you in the car business that are going to engage this year are really going to make moves towards the direction you want to go. Those who are not engaging and those who rely on the market and rely on what is the dealership doing for me and how many customers are they going to provide. If you have that mentality, you are not selling cars. This is our chance to prove now more than ever that it is a people business, that the car dealers of the world need us. I tell you what, this manufacturer that I just left, they are making moves, whether we do or not. So please do yourselves a favor. You are not selling cars if you're relying on the marketplace. Have a wonderful day. Have an awesome weekend. Hey, the weekend's upon us. We got to set up a huge Saturday. We're going to capitalize Super Saturday. If you're relying on the marketplace, you are not selling cars.